Hi, this is Nina with Nina Ross Business Solutions. I wasn't planning on doing another video. In fact, I've got all of my content up for the week, but considering everything that's going on, I thought I'd provide a few tips to help business owners get through this time. Okay guys, in this video there will be no fancy edits, no music, or any of those types of things that you're used to seeing in my videos. Right now, I am focused on helping businesses get through our current environment, our current situation. Here are 5 tips that come to mind for me. If I were in your situation and had a business that I thought would be closing, or if it's already closed. Number 1, be sure to forward your telephones. Your customers will be looking for you and they will be wanting to know things like if you're open or if you do have curbside pickup or what are your hours or availability. They just have questions and they will need to know answers. If you are to forward your telephones to an employee, make sure it is a responsible person who will answer that phone within the first or second ring, because that is crucial to keeping your client base or your customer base. Number 2, man your social media accounts. This is one way. If everybody's at home not having anything to do, they are going to be on social media. So this is another avenue that you can communicate with your clients or your customers and say, hey, we're here, we're in business, or we only have drive-through pickup, or these are our hours of operation. Whatever it is you need to communicate to your customer base, this is where I would recommend you would spend some time. Also, don't just make one post and think everything is okay. Oh, well, they know where I am, so I don't have to make any more posts. No, I would be getting with my social media account manager or my marketing person or whoever it is, and I would be saying, hey, I need to let these people know that I'm here. I need multiple posts per day. Every day until this situation is over. If I had a restaurant or something along those lines, I would create some type of contest or something where people will come to your place and pick up food. And if you come and make a minimum purchase of $5 or whatever, you will be entered in a contest for something free. Start being creative and think of ideas and ways that you can get people back into your business. Number 3, review your employment policies. Everything from will employees be paid during this period? I did a video last week or 2 on your work from home strategy. Securing your business while it's closed. What is going to happen to your facility? These are things that you need to consider, especially if your business is affected by this current environment. Number 4, contact a cleaning company. If you had an emergency plan in place, part of that emergency plan would be vendors that you've already vetted that you will be able to contact right away and say, hey, put me on the schedule to clean my place, to clean my restaurant, or whatever your business is, to get it clean, spick and span, so when you're ready to open again, you can say, hey, my business is ready, it's open, it's been thoroughly cleaned, and we're ready for our customers to return. This would be a big attention grabber for anyone who's looking to get out of the house once this crisis has passed. And number 5, call your insurance agent, explain to them what happened. If you have business owner's policy, somewhere within that policy, I'm hoping, should be some sort of coverage for business cessation or business income, employee salaries. If you don't have business owner insurance, I would encourage you to get it and keep it, because situations like this warrant having business owner's insurance. If I can think of any other things, any other tips to give you guys, I will. If you have any questions, please list them in the comment section below. YouTube is my only social media account where I have immediate notification if a comment is left. So please leave your comments. I will answer them. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. In addition to my normal content, I am going to jump in and post videos like this if I think of other things that can help your business get through this crisis. Thanks for watching.